What's up guys, my name is Technoba here for Troubleshoots, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your YouTube channel. Note that this is your channel and not your Google account. Deleting just a channel will leave you with the rest of the channels that you have linked on the Google account and everything else intact. So to begin, head to any page on YouTube, hit the icon in the top right, and then click Settings. Then at the bottom on the left hand side, hit Advanced Settings. And at the very bottom of the page, you'll see a Delete Channel header with a button titled Delete Channel below it. Click Delete Channel. Once you're here, you'll need to input your password. Then you'll see this page over here. You can either hide your channel's content, which basically hides your page, name, art and icon, and your likes and subscriptions. As far as I know, this also deletes your comments. Or you can go ahead and permanently delete your YouTube channel. Once you tick this box over here and hit the Delete My Content button, your channel will be gone, as well as your subscriptions made to other channels, comments that you made on YouTube, replies and thumbs up on your comments, messages, search and watch history, as well as any videos or content you've uploaded to YouTube using this channel. Once you hit the checkbox and hit the Delete My Content button, you'll be presented with this, and you'll need to type in your channel's name in order to delete it. Once you've typed it in, hit Delete My Content. And then it'll say your content is being deleted, and it'll take a few minutes. After you see this page, you can head back to YouTube, and you'll either be signed out, or you'll be signed into another channel on your account. So that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. My name's Technoba here for Troubleshoot. Ciao.